Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 18 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And I am so excited to be doing this challenge. It has been so much fun and I really look forward to it. This week's prompt is a special one. It's find a special photo that can serve as the focus of your collage. Look for additional papers that can enhance what you see in the photo. And I chose to pick a picture of my mama when she was a little girl. And this had to have been taken either in the late 40s or early 50s. And I love it. So I did print this. This isn't an original. And I picked out things I thought it reminds me of my granny's place in a way, just the type of things that she had. And that was my great-grandmother and her grandmother. And so I wanted to use this paper. I just thought it was pretty. Mama's favorite color was red, so that's why I picked that. With other things, I picked some book page. She loved to read, and I get my love of reading from both her and my daddy. And I picked out some embossed paper for a neutral background. I've got a lot of these are the Tim Holtz and just, I don't know, all different kinds of embossing folders. She was a wonderful typer. She could type like 80 words a minute on the old manual typewriter. And just different things. She used to do payroll at a place called Roos that was in Columbus, Mississippi. And she worked there and at the bank for a good part of my early life, and then she was a stay-at-home mom. And she loved flowers and all kinds of pretty things. Now, later on, her favorite color's always been red, but she went to all those wild late 60s, early 70s colors. And she liked bright. This isn't going to be bright, but I think it'll do her justice. So I'm going to use these papers as my background, and I think I'm just going to cut this part out and just see what I come up with. I've got different kinds of flower ephemera and just stickers. Who knows what we'll get, but we'll find out together. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I think I'm finished. I hope I did my mom proud. I have the special photo, which is the photo of my mom, and that's the focus of my collage. And additional papers is I've got this background digital and different ephemera, flowers, stickers, little jewels, and laughter is the brush that sweeps away the cobwebs of your heart. So it's always good to remember the fun, the laughter that you shared. My mom gave me my love for cooking and crafting, and I appreciate that so much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Thank you, Margarete, for hosting this challenge. I love it. Be sure and check out her channel as well as the hashtag so you can see all the beautiful collages. I mean, it just always blows me away. So until next time, bye y'all.